Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to change a group description on WhatsApp web using your PC. Whether you're updating your group's purpose or adding some fresh details, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. Make sure you're logged in by scanning the QR code with your phone if needed. Once you're in, you'll see all your chats displayed. Next, locate the group for which you want to change the description. Click on the group name to open its details. This will bring up the group's info panel, where you can view participants, settings, and the current description. Now, look for the edit icon. It's shaped like a small pencil, located next to the current group description. Click on this icon to start editing. A text box will appear where you can type in the new description for your group. Be creative or concise, depending on your needs. Once you've entered the updated description, confirm your changes by clicking the Save or Checkmark button. And that's it. You've successfully updated your WhatsApp group description on PC. This simple update ensures that all group members are informed about any changes or new information. Thank you for following along. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. See you next time.